Good day, my love, and welcome to this mindfulness meditation for beginners, helping you get started with mindfulness, understanding how amazing it is, and how it is able to help you relax and live in the present moment. So find a comfortable meditation posture, sitting in a way that allows you to relax, with your back nice and straight, and then close your beautiful eyes. Mindfulness is all about becoming aware of your surroundings, of your body, and of your breath. And by becoming aware of your breath, you're able to center yourself in the present moment, making your breath your anchor and allowing you to experience this moment without focusing on the past or the future. So turn your focus to your breath. Do not try to alter your breath in any way. Simply observe it, becoming aware of it, and experience it. So notice the different sensations associated with breathing. As your belly rises as you breathe in, and fall as you breathe out. How your chest expands as you inhale and contracts as you exhale. Noticing the sensation of cool air entering your nostrils and warm air leaving once you breathe out. So experience your breath and observe it with a childlike curiosity, like you're experiencing your breath for the very first time. Treat each breath as a completely new experience, without focusing on your previous breath or the breath you're going to take. Focus on the breath you're taking right now and how it feels inside of you. So be in your body and sense your breath through your body, following each inhalation and exhalation, breathing in a natural rhythm and simply observing each breath. So stay with your breath for a moment, staying present and staying mindful. Now, whenever thoughts enter your mind, don't try to push them away. Observe them as well, but refuse to interact with them. Acknowledge their existence, accepting them, but then returning to your breath once again. Returning to your center and returning to your anchor. So follow your breath and let your breath calm and relax your mind as you breathe in and breathe out. So stay with your breath and let it keep you present and peaceful. Now, when you are ready to return to your day, take a deep breath and then slowly open your eyes. How do you feel? Do you feel calm inside of your body? Does your mind feel still? Take a moment to observe your body and mind, allowing you to fully take in this experience and allowing you to fully relax. Now, if you want to experience inner peace, watch this next video so that you can feel truly relaxed and balanced. Namaste.